All right, we are back at it. And we got the GT Avalanche just hanging out. That Gary Turner just put on the new Maxxis Aggressor, new Maxxis Minion DHF. Oval chainring, been riding it, it's good to go, no complaints. Just remember, you know, we have the race face stem, race face Atlas bars to match. And I'm gonna put all of these links in the description. Just keep in mind, that's a 35 millimeter, this is 31.8, so there are shims in there. So keep in mind, if you go these upgrade routes, we're gonna take this on a real ride. All right, so if you watch those other bike videos, this is Ramona's berm peak. This is the cat's meow. I'm gonna ride berm, sand, rock gardens. Gonna hit it all, jumps. Here we go. Woo! All right, I'm feeling great right now. I don't want to speak too soon. Whoa! It is sandy as all hell out here today. And every day. Ah! does this secret trail go? We got a spot check. Whoa. Dude, these jumps are freaking insane. Oh, that's a wrap. And there you have it. The GT did great. Took a spill. Bike's not broken. 100% tank. We're all good. Riding back home. Riding through. We made it through. We'll be back to get that rhythm down next time. Yeah. There you go. Country Club Ice Hack.